Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to make a wire that connects our battery, our 12-volt battery, to any of our projects or any objects that uses DC female jack, like my cooler. It uses DC female jack. You can also check out the link on how to make cooler at your home. In the description the link is given. So for this project we need one DC connector, male DC connector, two battery clips. So without taking your time, let's go and make it. As you can see, this one is for red one, for positive. This is for the black one, for negative.